Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my DIY koi pond. Today I just want to give you another update on my pond. So apparently I have a lot of baby fish now, so they're getting a little bit bigger now. I don't know if you can see down there, they're swimming down the bottom there. So I'm using this black pepper grinder. I put some food inside there, so I'm grinding it down to feed them at the bottom, just like this. So you see they coming over to eat down there. Yeah. Let's try see if we can get less reflection. Yeah. See, they come in one. Quite a few of them down there. Yeah, but then once in a while I get some casualty that got sucked into my skimmer. I tried to put the screen, but it was too thick. It get clogged up so quickly, so I took it up. But you can see there. Yeah, quite a few down there. Yep, pepper grinder. Look at that. Yeah, they're getting bigger now. Quite a few. Yeah, so as you can see in the underwater video there, I do have a lot of fries at the bottom. Not sure they are koi or goldfish, but anyway, yeah, quite a few. So, which is good, but soon maybe my pond will be overpopulated. So you can see there's no, I took in that right side water lily pot to be potted. So I had it down here now under my deck on a shallow area for 2 weeks as per the instruction for the root to start growing again, because it was not well developed, so it was weaker than this one. This one is growing pretty good. I can see a lot of small leaves coming up and flowers, but this pink one is a little bit difficult. Anyway guys, that's just another update from my pond. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.